more florals. Loving florals right now. I'm like, I need this. I drove in like the craziest snow. Like I need this. This cheers me up. Just look at that. Oh my God, how adorable. The florals, the butterfly, those lovely stones. $53 gets this home. One order this year, double extra small to 5X. This is your spring is in the air split neck top. Here's your grass green. Now I do want to tell you, it's looking like a bright neon green on the screen. It's not as bright. It is more of a subdued green in person. So just want to tell you that. Then you have wisteria. I love that the floral's at the bottom, Angel. Like there's just so much beauty in this top. And then your light navy. Interesting they called it light navy. I would think it's more of a dark navy.
Interesting.
Okay.
I don't have that one with me, so.
Well, it's what it says on the schematic, but hey, okay, cool. It's basically, it's navy. Most limited here, like I'm trying to like name things. Most limited here, less than 200 to go around, a 640-107, 26.5 to 32.5 inches in length. So first and foremost, can we talk about how fabulous this design is? Your design team, like, again, knocks it out of the park every time.
This is our John Schrader. He is so talented, and he just continues to make butterflies and flowers different every year. Really stunning. This I like to call these artisan pieces because John is exclusive to Quacker and Quacker's exclusive to QVC, right? So you can't go to a store with a door and get these pieces. This is just for Quacker Factory and just for you. So each piece is a piece of art, and you get that beautiful embroidery done in all different techniques and colors, accented with stones at either hip with that V, 3/4 length sleeves done in our 60% cotton, 40% polyester, which is beefy without being bulky. It has a beautiful hand feel. And then that split V neckline that just is adorned with that necklace of amazing detail on great colors. Now, Melissa, I do think that we have more of these coming. If your size isn't available, I do think that was a mistake, but I don't want to get in trouble. So just hang tight. But if we have your size and color, I would also recommend don't miss it.
Angel, you're a troublemaker.
Because we don't want you to miss it. I am a troublemaker.
You're a rebel. You live on the edge. You're like James Dean.
I know.
Living on the edge.
I'm surprised I haven't gotten a phone call yet. You know.
Oh, and then your phone's going to ring at 9 o'clock.
It will. Tomorrow morning. Angel, stop it.
Stop. Cut it out. No, you're fine. I mean, listen, I hope you're right, because you know, this is such a beautiful top. I would love everyone at home to grab this, because it really is just a stunning piece. I do want to talk about what's happening on the inside as well, if you want to speak to that.
Yes, absolutely. So this is embroidered through and through. This is not printed on. This is really amazing quality in our embroidery. Now, there are little hints of metallic thread. So if you are one of my quackers that always asks us to show the inside because you're sensitive, please just keep that in mind. You could always get some backing at your, craft store, or at your fabric store, and put it over it so it's not touching your skin. But again, that's up to you. But this one is so beautiful. I would hate for you to miss it because of that.
Yeah, no, do not miss it because of that. That's a simple fix. Hi, baby.
She rarely comes down because her big brother usually chases her away. So that was a gift.
Oh, I love that. Well, I'll take that gift, because she looks like my little Fred that passed away over the summer, my little tuxedo cat. So, oh my gosh, she's beautiful.
Thank you.
She shimmied. She's a diva.
Yeah.
She did like a little, I'm not even going to look back, guys. I'm making an appearance. No pictures,
like,
please.
Mom, where are the treats? I usually have treats by this time. Where are the treats? That's what that walk was.
So cute. So cute. I love her. She's adorable. You know, I think butterflies are such a beautiful symbol of like new life and rebirth. It was actually the theme of my daughter's baptism. There's just something about butterflies that are so special to so many people. So if you're someone who collects butterfly pieces or you want to give this as a gift, it's a really great piece. I like the colors too. Like they could have done just black, right? Could have done black or like a pink. But the colors are really thoughtful here. You have this grass green, which is unique. Wisteria, I think Quacker does such a great job with their purples. They're really just soft and pretty. And then this light navy. Thank you for pairing it with the pants, because for under $50, you can get that whole outfit home. Again, all really wearable, and you can play and mix and match. Even this green with green would be really fun.
Oh, fun.
Be so
Again,
cute.
I love pink and gray, and I love purple or wisteria and gray. I just think that's such a beautiful combo, because you can wear this now and then wear it, you know, with your white capris and crop as the weather changes. So this is another one of those tops that you can wear any time of the year, especially when you need a little pick-me-up when you're looking at 3 to 6 inches of snow outside of your window.
Yep.
Just saying.
Yeah, it's pretty crazy. But I do agree. Like for me, my fashion, I always like to change it up. I'm a very moody dresser. So when I'm having a rough day, I go for those colors. I go for those fun patterns. So this is something that will instantly lift your spirits. And it's instant fashion. Like you throw it over your head. You don't need a big necklace or earrings even. Like you can just go.
Right.
There's so much happening right there. You're done. It's like one and done over the head. Machine wash, tumble dry. I would turn it inside out, as Angel always says. I think that's super smart. Wisteria, grass green, light navy. We lost one already, so pick this up while we have them. Black sold out, double extra small to 5X, a 640107. All right, so we are at our last item already? I don't even know how that's possible. You know, you guys are loving this already.